Hello and welcome. It is the second day of November 2019. This is the Money Charts channel, and I like to put charts to things that are not market based, like cryptos, gold, silver. Now, it's not like I do much for stocks, but the traditional, of course, charts of price action. Rather, this is betting 1 unit on the favorite of an NHL team this year to win by 2 goals or more. That's like a blind bet, just doing the same thing every day. This is over 200 games right now. 200 times, and it's over 20 units. There's another loss that just took place. Edmonton took on Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh were favorites. They lost 2-1 in overtime. And there's another game going on as I'm doing this, also 2-1. The the team that's favored is losing after 2 periods, so it might go down a bit. But there's situations here where this thing has had a big run early on, getting up to 10 units in here. And then at one point, you were actually down a bit here after about 70 some odd games. And then you're up 20 units and down from here to here. So you'd have to go through these types of streaks. Maybe this is going to be another one. Maybe this will. There's no price memory on this by any means. It's just my whole point to this is I don't think that the lines makers, odds makers, have adjusted to the rates in which teams win by multiple goals. So if I take the underdogs to win by 2 or more goals as well, I unfortunately can't give you the data. I could probably figure out what the estimated price would have been because on sites like CloudBet you could actually lay a goal and a half on either team, which is amazing when say it's the underdog that you want to choose to win. But if you want to take a team to win by taking them to win by multiple goals, well, that works out pretty well. This would work out to what your return on investment would be. And so far it's netting at around a little over 10%. So basically, all this is me taking every single team that has been favored, whether they covered. So this would have been like a plus 135 line, and well, this is the list of the games ending the 1st of November. So that's a sample size of like 202, I think, 201, 202. 202 games have been completed up until that night. And simply just taking a goal and a half, or laying a goal and a half, meaning to win by two, in what is a league with more scoring in hockey, which will open up to that fact. And then a lot of it does come to a 1 goal game with a minute left, 2 minutes left of the empty net opportunity. Will this continue on to go forward? Well, we'll see. But for me, for myself, if I think a team is, I like the odds of a team. I think they should be they're the better of the lines of the two. Then I think it's worth a bet. And if you're in a situation where maybe you're split down the middle, maybe betting on both sides could be interesting. You're basically betting that it doesn't end by 1 goal. Really, is the way you'd bet that game. Somebody wins by 2 or more. And in a situation like that, if both teams, well, one team could be like plus 170 on the minus 1.5, the other might be like plus 250 or something, plus 260. And well, anyway, thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.